Verse 10. Vayomer hamelech, המדבר אלייך, והבאתו אלי, ולא יוסיף עוד לגעת בך. The king said, then notice the atnach here. The king said, colon, המדבר אלייך. This is a pial participle, מדבר, pial participle, with a ha of the definite article. Now, if you're wondering where the doubling has gone, that's actually a fairly long story, but the short version is that if your doubled letter is followed by a shava, then often the doubling is dropped out. But this is just the usual definite article that we know and love. So, medaber, speaking, or in the sense of a noun, the one speaking, or the speaker, or anyone who speaks. The one who speaks to you, if anyone speaks to you, elayich, vahaveto elai, then you will bring him to me, velo yosif, and he will not increase, lagaat bach, to touch you or to harm you, od, any further. Okay, let's pick that apart a bit. Vahaveto is a v katal. So remember, the v katal is what we use when we're talking about something that is happening in the future. And vahaveto is the v katal plus the object suffix. So it's the equivalent of vahevet oto. Actually, I've glossed over a difficulty in that. So if you have a niggling question about why this actually doesn't quite work, then feel free to get in touch and I'll give you more information. But for now, vahaveto is the same as vahevet oto. You will bring him, you will cause him to come, elai, to me. Velo yosif od laga'at bach. Yosif is the hifil of yasaf. So hosif is the perfect, Yosif is the imperfect. And you remember this is one of the very common verbs that is used for what we've referred to as verbal hendiadys. So Yasaf, hosif means to increase, or to do again, or to repeat, to continue to do. So here, he will not continue, laga'at, to touch you anymore. Okay. Laga'at is from naga, to touch or to harm, which you remember in the imperfect is yigga. There is my nun hiding in the gimel. It's an imperfect in a because of the ayin, third guttural. And remember, with first nun verbs, a imperfects have short imperatives. So the imperative ga, touch or harm. And then the short imperative becomes an infinitive with this added tav, ga'at. And then the lamed with the r is just the prefix that you often get before the infinitive construct. So to touch or to harm. And nagat takes the preposition b. So that the thing that you touch, the thing that you harm, is noted by a b. So he will not increase to touch you anymore. He will not touch you anymore.